Hi everyone, it's Aarti Hammond here from the Aarti Hammond team at Keller Williams. I'm waiting for the buyers to show up. I love when I show this house. It is just so pretty here in Copperleaf on Canoe Creek Terrace. Beautiful home. I'm going to flip the camera because mainly I want you to see the outside. So let me show you this. Follow me. So I love that this house has that zero turn doors. Don't you love how they do that with no beam in the middle? And you can just go right out, and the living indoor outdoor spaces sort of seamlessly flow together. So this house is beautiful on a corner lot with complete privacy. As you can see all around, it's all private. And the patio flooring is this beautiful porcelain tile, but it's totally cool deck and non-skid. I love that. And one of the things, notice the screen enclosure with the beautiful picture screen. See how there is no posts in the middle and how gorgeous that looks. And here is the pool, big beautiful pool, all custom done, and privacy all around. You literally do not see anyone from this house. Look, total privacy all around. And love the shape of this pool with a nice sun deck to sit on, extra patio space over here, and a massive screen enclosure. Oh, I hope this phone doesn't fall into the pool. Jeez. I gotta hold my hand steady. And then here you look back at the house, looking out from the outside to the inside. Open kitchen, custom cabinets, beautiful tile like that, looks like wood flooring. And all the way, look at this tall ceilings, coffered with molding inside. I love this house. And you know, the window treatments in this house are all on remote. Watch what I'll do. Here is my remote control, and notice all the zones on it. So literally every zone is a different window. For example, see this dining room window? I'm going to close it. Watch the blinds come down. Do you see it coming down? And then I can stop. I can make it go back up. See? So the whole house has even the vertical. Watch this vertical. I'll press it, and I'm going to try and close the vertical. Watch, it's coming to closing. I can hit stop at any point, and I can open it all the way. Love this. Great upgrades throughout the house, with remote control window treatments and custom flooring. And let me show you the master bedroom closet. I mean, a smoking hot closet. I'm going down this hallway. Lori says hold the camera up, so I'm holding the camera up. It is still wobbly to me, but anyway.